World temperatures have risen by about 1 degree Celsius since 1880. As a result, glaciers have melted and sea levels have risen higher than ever. These phenomena result from human activity, like burning fossil fuels and cutting down forests. Humans have released huge quantities of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which hold on to the sun's heat. If action is not taken to address the situation, the consequences will be awful. We must prevent more damage and protect the planet for the future while we still can. In 2021, scientists from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, built climate models to predict future climate change through detailed examination of the sea, air and land. They assessed the rise in temperature in the past and warned that there would be another increase of at least 4 degrees Celsius in the next 80 years if greenhouse gas emissions continue at the current level. Rising temperatures will melt the glaciers in polar regions, causing sea levels to rise even more than they have. Moreover, warmer air will result in more and stronger storms. These climate models have shown that if we do nothing to protect the planet, the effects will be much more devastating than they are now. Although global warming has continued, there is evidence to suggest that the damage it will cause can be minimized if action is taken immediately. In fact, in 2015, the governments of nearly 200 countries signed the Paris Agreement, a pledge to cut greenhouse gas emissions in half by 2030. Thanks to the Paris Agreement 5 years ago, temperatures have risen by 0.6 degrees Celsius, less than what was predicted by the climate models. What's more, the climate models also tell us that if we continue to follow the current policies on reducing emissions, temperatures won't rise by more than 3 degrees Celsius. The success of the Paris Agreement tells us that it is what we choose to do today that determines the climate of the future. It is important for everyone to stay alert to the rising temperatures and take steps towards reducing greenhouse gas emissions. One simple way to do so is by buying local products, which require less fuel for transportation. We can also take public transportation and adopt eco-friendly practices at home. It is essential that we all understand one thing. Every eco-friendly step we take can make a big difference. The future of our precious planet depends on us.